Welcome to another video. We have a question before us, and the question is this. F of s is equal to the square root of 2x minus 4 divided by the square root of s squared minus 9. Find the domain. So we are given a function and we are required to find the domain. Let us go ahead and find the domain. Let's begin. Before we start answering this question, it is imperative that we have an idea of what domain means. The domain represents all possible values that s can be in a given function. We are given that f of s is equal to the square root of 2x minus 4 divided by the square root of s squared minus 9. Now, we are going to find the possible values that s can be in this function. We are going to have two restrictions arising from the numerator and the denominator. In the denominator, we cannot have 0. If we do have 0, that will make the fraction to be undefined. Now, what we are going to do is to set the radicand or the expression under root greater than 0. So we will have s squared minus 9 is greater than 0. Another restriction we're going to have is in the numerator. We know that the numerator can be 0 or greater than 0. So we are going to set the expression under root equal to 0 or greater than 0. So we will have 2x minus 4 equal to 0 or greater than 0. Now let us solve the two inequalities to find the values of s. We will have s squared minus 9 going to the right hand side will become positive 9. So let's take the square root of both sides. Here the square will cancel out the square root radical, and we have that x is greater than the square root of 9 is plus minus 3. So we have that s is greater than minus 3 and s is greater than 3. So we have two values of x. Now let us solve the second inequality. So we will have 2x. We move minus 4 to the right hand side. Let's divide both sides by 2. 2 cancel out 2 here, and 2 divide 4. We're going to have 2. We have that x is greater than or equal to 2. So the values of s are s is greater than minus 3, s is greater than 3, and s is greater than or equal to 2. Now, to find the domain, we are going to represent these three solutions on a number line. We will then obtain the point at which the three solutions intersect. The point of intersection of the solutions will represent the domain of the function. This is a number line. Our first solution is s is greater than minus 3. This is minus 3. We represent it with an open circle. S is greater than minus 3. That means s is going towards infinity. We use an open circle because s is greater than minus 3. The next solution is s is greater than 3. This is 3. So we use open circle again. They are all tending towards infinity. The next solution is s is greater than 2 or equal to 2, and this is 2. We are going to shade the circle because 2 is included. Now let us obtain a point of intersection of these three solutions. Now if we draw a vertical line, you will notice that the vertical line intersects the three solutions at a point on the number line where s is greater than 3. At this point where s is greater than 3, that is the domain, because this s is greater than 3 is common to the three solutions. So we will say that the domain is all real numbers greater than 3. So domain is all real numbers s is greater than 3. If we use interval notation, we will have open parenthesis 3 to positive infinity. We use open parenthesis because 3 is not included in the value of x, and we use parentheses for negative infinity and positive infinity. So this is the interval notation of the domain. Thank you for watching this video. Please support the channel by subscribing and sharing our videos. If this is the first time you are coming across our video, you are welcome to Math Simplified Solutions. And do not forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. Have a great time.